Plan your move around maintaining uninterrupted internet access and a functional workspace. Start by creating a timeline that ties key move tasks to your work schedule, beginning with pre-scheduling internet activation at the new address at least 2 weeks before moving day and confirming on the provider side 3 days before. Pack desk essentials in a clearly labeled box that travels with you and includes your laptop, charger, external hard drive, mouse, keyboard, headset, Ethernet cable, and any docking station components, so you can plug into a ready station immediately. Keep your dock and laptop charger accessible in a personal carry bag rather than checked boxes so you can power up in transit or at a temporary stop. Set up a temporary desk area on arrival using a cleared table, an ergonomic chair if available, and position the monitor or laptop to reduce glare. Use a stacked box or a shelf if you do not have a desk. Test the connection by running a speed test and a video call check within the first hour of internet activation so you can troubleshoot with the provider while they are still reachable. Tell your employer and immediate team about planned move windows and any expected short outages so meetings can be rescheduled or you can arrange to join by phone when bandwidth is limited. Common mistakes include assuming internet will be active immediately at the new place, which leaves you offline. Avoid this by booking installation early and having a mobile hotspot as a backup. Another issue is misplacing critical peripherals in general moving boxes. Solve this by packing a single labeled essentials box and carrying it with you. A third frequent problem is failing to create a temporary ergonomic workspace, which causes discomfort and reduced focus. Fix this by prioritizing a chair with back support, elevating the laptop to eye level with a stable platform, and using an external keyboard and mouse as soon as possible. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like moving and workspace setup, helping homeowners find local professionals for network installation and furniture assembly. We also help contractors find work and join project discussions in our community, where we share tips and timelines to keep remote work continuous during moves.